How to edit Wix website for mobile. So in order to edit your Wix website for mobile, what we can do is we first need to head over to the Wix editor. Once you're in here, next thing you need to do is to click onto this right here, which is the mobile option or the mobile layout. So once you click on it, this will resize the screen in order to fit what it will be shown into our actual mobile. So this will load for now, and as you can see, some of our elements are out of touch in the mobile. So what you can do is you can edit it and reposition it however you want. For example, you can click on a particular element right here, like in here is the actual item for the slideshow repeaters. We also have in here this particular button. You can put that right around here. And also the text, you can move that right there in order to make it fit. We also have in here these cases, and this button is currently out of touch, so you can resize it and move or drag it wherever you want to put it. Do take note that any changes that you have done into your mobile won't be able to be reflected to your desktop, since this will be a different layout to that, and it's understandable for it to be a little different than the initial design. So that's how you edit Wix website for mobile. I hope this video helped you out.